If you look at Earth from space, you see a blue world, calm and complete. But beneath the surface, this planet has never been still. Massive tectonic plates drift slowly, colliding, tearing apart, reshaping continents and steering the fate of life itself. But what if Earth never had plate tectonics at all? Without colliding plates, there are no mountain-building forces, no Himalayas, no Andes, no Alps. The continents become flat and ancient. Rain is no longer trapped by towering peaks. Rivers lose their origins. Global climate circulation begins to fail. Volcanoes are not merely disasters. They are how Earth breathes. Without subduction zones, magma cannot rise. Volcanoes fall silent. No new land is formed. No minerals are recycled. No fertile volcanic soils to sustain ecosystems. Plate tectonics drive an invisible chemical cycle, the carbon cycle. Weathering rocks absorb carbon dioxide. Volcanoes release it back into the atmosphere. If this system shuts down, carbon either builds up uncontrollably or becomes permanently locked away. The outcome is extreme: a runaway greenhouse Earth or a planet locked in ice. Life needs stability, but it also needs change. Without tectonic motion, the surface remains static for billions of years. Nutrients recycle slowly. Ecosystems struggle to evolve. Complex life may never arise. Intelligent civilization could remain an unrealized possibility. The trembling ground beneath our feet, the earthquakes and volcanoes we fear are what keep Earth alive. Plate tectonics is not a flaw. It is the reason this planet can host life. Earth is Earth because it never stopped changing. Plate tectonics does more than shape the surface. It keeps Earth's interior active, driving mantle convection and indirectly sustaining the motion of the core. The core generates Earth's magnetic field. If the interior cools and stagnates, the magnetic field weakens or disappears entirely. Cosmic radiation would strike the surface unfiltered. Without a magnetic shield, the solar wind gradually strips away the atmosphere. This is not speculation. Mars is the closest example. Air escapes, water evaporates, oceans vanish. Earth would follow a different fate, dry, cold, and silent. Without plate tectonics, continents no longer drift. No rifting, no collisions, no supercontinent cycles. Biological isolation declines. Evolutionary pressure weakens. Species have little reason to adapt. Natural selection slows to a crawl. Ocean life depends on nutrients delivered from the land. These elements come from uplifted mountains and eroding rocks. Without tectonic uplift, land stays low, erosion slows. The oceans may appear calm, but chemically they become deserts. On our Earth, disasters force life forward. Volcanic eruptions, continental collisions, abrupt climate shifts. On a stagnant planet, crises become rare. Life survives but has little reason to evolve. This is not prosperity, it is long-term stagnation. Without plate tectonics, there is no stable climate, no rich biodiversity, no long evolutionary stage. Human existence required countless planetary resets. In this timeline, intelligent life may never have emerged. In the universe, most rocky planets are geologically stagnant. Worlds with active plate tectonics may be exceptionally rare. Earth is habitable not because it is gentle, but because it is restless. We are living on a planet that never stops renewing itself. Planets age. Without plate tectonics, Earth's internal heat cannot be efficiently released. The mantle stagnates, the core's motion slows. This is not a sudden apocalypse, but a slow, irreversible aging. Earth would die billions of years earlier than it did in our timeline. In the universe, most planets are failed experiments. They form, they cool, they fall silent. An Earth without plate tectonics would not stand out. It would be just another rocky world with no story to tell and no one to witness it. Earth is habitable not because it is stable, but because it cycles. Rock cycles, water cycles, carbon cycles. Without plate tectonics, cycles become one-way paths. Resources are consumed but never returned. Plate tectonics allows Earth to constantly rewrite itself. Old crust is destroyed, new crust is created. Without this process, the surface preserves its oldest scars. Time is no longer refreshed, it becomes trapped. Even if intelligent life emerged, it would be brief. Without stable resource renewal, Without geological recycling, technological civilizations cannot endure. Civilizations would fade like fossils, quickly buried by time. Earth is not the cosmic norm. It is an exception. It has the right size, enough internal heat, and just the right amount of water. These conditions allow plate tectonics to persist for billions of years. We often think life is the protagonist of Earth's story, but the true protagonist is motion itself. As long as Earth keeps moving, life remains possible.